back to the channel. I'm going to be showing you how to remove and install an aftermarket hood on a Jeep Wrangler JK. It's going to be the same process for the 2-door, 4-door. Very simple process as long as you follow these simple steps. First, let me show you what we're working with. This is the factory hood. I just have one of those desktop appliques on. It's nothing fancy, just a plastic piece holding on with the 3M tape. And this is what we're gonna be installing. I hope there's enough light. You're gonna see all the details when I put it on the Jeep. It's one of those metal Avenger style hoods with the side vents and a big hood scoop. So let's get started. First step is gonna be removing those hood latches, and for that you're gonna need a T50 Torx head. Make sure don't use any smaller size like T47 or T45, because if it's these bolts right here are so fragile. If you use like anything less than the actual size, you're gonna strip down the bolts and you're gonna be in trouble. To make the process even easier, you can like spray on some W40 ahead of time, give it some time to soak in. And if you even have like one of those heat guns, it would be a good idea to heat the bolts itself. There you have it. Next, we're gonna be disconnecting the wiper blade spray hoses. That's one, and that's the other one. Just disconnect those, and the two plastic sprayers should pop right out from the other side. Alright, let's move on. Okay, so these are the two sprayers. Just take your time taking them off, because they're really fragile and they're kind of pricey. As for these two bump stops, the rubber bump stops right here, you don't need to remove those, because on the aftermarket hood there's no place for them because of the hood scoop, so you might as well just leave them on. So next is going to be removing the latches, the upper piece. We're going to reuse those on the new hood. You got two of these, and there's two nuts holding each one from the inside. Next, we're going to be removing the center latch from the front and the spring. You have two screws right there. That's it. We're going to be reusing those two, so just set them to the side. So this is the tension spring. Okay, so as you can see, the front hood is completely free. You can take it off now. We're going to be reusing most of the same hardware, same parts on the next ones. Here's a better look for you guys. We have better lighting here, so this is how it's gonna look. There's gonna be a lot of trim pieces that goes around here, and it's gonna look way better when it's wrapped and color matched to the rest of the car.